Hello friends, welcome to Dad's Kitchen. Today I will share a very healthy, easy salad recipe with you all. It's quick and loaded with taste. Cajun Chicken Couscous Salad. Yes, that's what I will be making today for you guys. Let's start. Using a knife, make 3 slits on the chicken breast. This will help the chicken to marinate well from in and out. Now, with the help of a kitchen towel or any dry cloth, we need to pat dry the chicken breast. For preparing the marination, we need around 1 tablespoon of Cajun spice powder, a bit of black pepper powder, salt, a bit of lemon juice. We can use either lemon juice or fresh lemon, whichever you want. A bit of olive oil, which will help to give a smoky flavor to the chicken. And we need to mix it up well. Once it's mixed well, we need to add around 2 tablespoons of yogurt or sour cream, whichever you have, and mix it well. That's how your simple marination is ready. Now we need to add the chicken breast to this marination and rub the marinade all over the chicken well and keep it aside for an hour or so. Prepare the baking tray by putting a baking paper on it and the marinated chicken. Bake the chicken in a preheated oven at 160 degrees centigrade for around 15 minutes. Now let's prepare couscous. In a bowl, we add around 80 grams of couscous and around 100 ml of hot boiling water. Mix it well and cover it with a lid and keep it aside for 3 to 4 minutes. After 3 to 4 minutes, you will see the couscous is ready. Isn't it easy? Each grain of couscous has a very distinct texture. That's how you can cook a perfect couscous. Let the couscous cool down. In a mixing bowl, add the prepared couscous. Some finely chopped onions you can add. You can use either white onions or red onions, whichever you have. Add some finely chopped tomatoes. Tomatoes, apart from the taste, will give a nice color to the salad. Add some finely chopped parsley to the salad. Couscous without a parsley is a very incomplete salad. Add a bit of lemon juice and some olive oil. Season with some salt and black pepper. Mix the salad well so that all the flavors and tastes get incorporated. To this salad, I'll add some roasted sliced almonds. This will give a crunchy flavor to the salad. Now that we're ready with the salad, let's plate the salad. Let's put the salad on any kind of plate you want. You can use a bowl also. We'll slice the cooked Cajun chicken and plate it together. We can put the chicken on the side of the plate, or We can slice the Cajun chicken and put it on the bed of the couscous salad. Whichever way you want, you can go ahead. I hope you enjoyed this easy recipe of Cajun chicken and couscous salad. You can find the full recipe in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks and have a wonderful day ahead. Bye bye.